Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. Okay, so you guys know the last like really big project that I did was the charger plates. I covered it in fabric, and I love those so much that I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try with some dinner plates. Yes, honey. And I'm gonna give it a try with some dinner plates that I just got from Walmart as well as Dollar Tree. And you guys, I did this with napkins and stickers. Now hold up, wait, before I show you, they are drying a little bit, so be aware. But you guys, look at that. I think that plate turned out beautiful. Now this was just a clear plate. Clear plate. I used a red napkin with the stickers. That's how I got these right here in the middle. On these is the Dollar Tree ones, the one that has the ridges, and then this one I purchased from Walmart. And the ones that's on Walmart, I put the stickers on the outer rim because it didn't have the edges. But you guys, look at that. And I actually did 4 of these. You got 2 like this and 2 like this. You guys, these plates are beautiful, like beautiful. But I just wanted to test that idea out, see how it did. You guys get creative with this, you know, stickers, tissue paper, napkins. You can even print things out, put it on here. You can paint it with acrylic paint. There's all types of things that you could do with the clear plate. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm very proud of these plates. You guys, these are beautiful. And I don't know if you can see, but like the silver in here is like a mirror. Like it's really pretty. I don't know. Like that silver is like a mirror silver. So it gives like a really pretty effect to the plate. I love it. So let's go ahead and get up into this project, and then I will see you guys very soon. Okay, so if you see here, I have plates from Walmart and I have plates from Dollar Tree. The plates from Dollar Tree have the ridges on it, and I also purchased the stickers from Walmart as well because I could not find no napkins that were decorated to pretty much the colors of my home, which is, you know, red, black, and white, my favorite colors. So I just figured I'm going to experiment and try with some stickers. I don't know how it's going to come out, but I'm going to give it a try. So the first thing I want to do, of course, is clean off the back of my plates because this is where I'm going to be laying everything. And this is alcohol spray. So I'm just going to spray it with some alcohol and just clean everything off. And just like I did with the other plates, I'm going to use Mod Podge and cover these in Mod Podge and then, you know, cover them with the plate. So I'm going to clean them and then I'll be back. Well, the one difference that I noticed immediately is that as soon as I put it on there, because it's not double layered, I can pretty much feel the glue like coming through the paper. Like I feel it. See? Nope. Not doing it. Look at that. I got a freaking hole in my plate. Nope. You guys, I tried it. Alright, you know what? No. I'm still going to do it a single layer. I'm going to do it. I said I was going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm just going to add a little piece right here. And we're going to call it a day. That's all I can do. If you're doing a single layer, please be very gentle. My next plate is not getting a single layer. I'm doing double. I'm sticking to what I've done. Do I know if the double layer gonna come out better? No, I don't know. If it's gonna be better or worse than the first layer, I don't know. Like I said, I've never done this. But I do know I just put a hole in my plate messing around with this single layer. Oh my God. It's another freaking hole. You guys, I know y'all can see what I'm doing. Like, I'm not even painting hard at all. I'm not even doing it. I'm not doing it. Why? Why is this happening? You know what? This is the sign. That's all it is. This is a sign from the Lord himself telling me, you know what? Why did you change? Did I tell you to change? No, I did not tell you to change. So why did you change? Now look, I'm getting holes all up. Oh my Jesus. All right, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Like, I am being gentle. You guys have no idea how soft I'm. I tried it. That's all I can say. I did try it. Will I do it again? No. No, I will not. I done had to patch up 3 holes messing around with this. It might look better, but it's hard work. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Okay, you guys, so I'm pretty much completely done. And a little tip that I do have is that when you put the stickers on, you've seen I put the stickers onto the napkin and then applied it onto the plate. I would not do that a second time. What I would do is I would lightly put the Mod Podge or whatever glue you're using onto the sticker and then actually stick it onto the plate. I would not do it the way I did it because it has been a full 24 hours and the sticker area is still drying. The plates came out beautiful. I love them. I mean, they came out better than I thought, but there's just like a little bit of glue left that is still drying, and it's just taking forever. So this is the Dollar Tree plate, the one that has the ridges in it. You guys, I love these plates. These plates came out awesome. This is what it looks like on the back. I just went around the edges and, you know, trimmed it with the scissors. But this is the Walmart plate. You guys, I love them. They came out great. A lot better than I would have expected. Now, I would say that I did try to paint the back of it white just so the red would show through a lot better. And I would not recommend doing that because as you can see, this one is white. I painted this one white with just acrylic paint. If you have a white plate, then that is fine. But because the inside of mine was red, like you can see little, like over here, you see that, like little white areas coming through. But I mean, other than that, you guys, these plates are beautiful. Like, these plates are nice. And I'm not sure if I like the place that has the, you know, stickers right there better, or if I like it like more on the outside. I'm not sure. I don't know, but these plates they're beautiful, you guys. Like, they turned out so nice. They actually look like a set. And you can also do the same thing to like cups, mugs, you know, so you can actually make like a matching set, which looks like what I did because I've got 4 of these things. You guys, I just love the way they turned out. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.